Hi, I just wanted to share with you a quick tip for a new feature in Textura, which is right here, a sort button. So now you can sort your fabrics according to the last one you modified, the newest one, your oldest one, or by the name. So if you need to arrange your collection in a certain order, all you'll need to do is just give your fabrics the right names from A to Z, and you will be able to sort them out. Now, the best thing about this feature is that it also exists in the libraries. So you can go to different libraries, public materials, for example, and sort them out. You can also sort out by type of fabric, for example. Let's say I want to see all woven, and I want to see the newest one. So I can also do that. Plus, if you are about to share a new collection, let's say right here, Frischer, I'll just take that library. Again, you can still sort out the way you're going to see your collection. And the best part is that also your colleague who will get that share button. Okay, so I'm going to take that now, copy access link, or send an invite, of course, if you need. And then I'll just paste that link here. This one is a shared collection. So it's a collection viewer. Your colleague will not be able to work on any of those items. They will be able to see them, or if you decide, they will be able to download them. And now you will also be able to tell them which order you want them to see your files, so you can sort them out as well. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip and see you very soon in Textura. Bye!